Hello guys and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, another update for our Hitchfield AI guys. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for review purposes only, so always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so right now you are seeing the Hitchfield front page. Okay, you will see the explore button here. The image editing tools you can create image, cinema image studio, create storyland, also video editing. So create video, cinema studios available, mixed media on this page. Edit your video in Paint and Relight. Character, face swap, character swap, video face swap, AI stylist guys. Contest, you can compete and earn also by using this platform guys. Vibe Motion, Cinema Studio, influencer application, assist, and the community guys. Okay, on their application guys, you will see different templates here like camera and motion, enhance and style guys, face and identity, video editing, ads and products. Okay, so games and characters also available here at the Hitchfields. Extras, trending templates also available. So right now, let's try to use the Cinema Studio 2.0 guys. So what would you shoot with infinite budget? This is the Cinema Studio 2 guys. You can see here that you can use image only or the video itself guys. You can edit it on auto. Okay, or maybe you can choose your own style here guys. They also have this graph here. Speed RAM is auto, duration is 5 seconds. You can start the frame and then end the frame. You can add your up or upload image here. For me, let's try this one guys. Okay, let's try to use this image, okay? And then agree and continue guys. And then the end frame, let's try to have the end frame also guys, okay? Let's just do the same guys, okay? So that's the end frame video. And then we're going to have a prompt here, okay, from the chat GPT guys. Okay, so let's paste here guys. You see that? Okay, so auto, let's try to tilt down maybe. Orbit around guys. Okay, let's choose that orbit around 1080p. Okay, so 720 is also available if you are going to Facebook or Twitter guys. 16 by 9 for YouTube, and also available the portrait version 9 by 16. Okay, and this one, you can choose Cinema Studio 2.0, other action, horror, comedy, western, suspense, intimate, spectacle. Also guys, you can try your image here. Just add your image guys, okay, and then paste your prompt here. And then you can just generate whatever you want for your photo guys. Okay, so Studio Digital, you can recommended, you can choose the recommended one, okay, or maybe you save your templates here guys. You can choose your lens here, okay, focal length, aperture, lens, and camera guys. Okay, so let's try to generate this one. Okay, so the rooftop of Colossus skyscraper. So right now it's generating guys. Okay, let's wait if what can Hitchfield do with a single image guys. Okay, with the prompt using the chat GPT guys. Okay guys, so look what the AI did to the photo guys. So from this become this one guys. So very very awesome AI guys. Okay, so the rooftop of colossal skyscraper in a stormy ancient looking city, thunder rumbles in the sky as jag lightning cuts through the darkness guys. So look at the photo right there. Okay, so you can choose to animate this one also. Okay, let's choose auto mode here, and let's try maybe comedy guys. Okay, multi-shot, single shot. Okay, we are on the video right now guys. 1080p or 720 pixel, duration 5 seconds. Okay, so right now our prompt has been successfully generated guys. So let's watch this one. Look at that guys. Okay, so that's the 5 seconds generation comedy. That's our end frame guys. Okay, you see that? So we choose our end frame here. Okay, and then the start frame, the image that we created earlier, guys, and then we choose an end frame here, guys, and we choose the comedy. See that, guys? So 5 seconds generation. There you have it, guys. Easy as that. So this is the cinema. You can create your own. You can create or do your prompt here, guys. Your end and ending or start frame, guys. You can choose your lens, whatever you like, guys. So this is the Edgefield AI Cinema Studio 2.0. Okay, guys, not only that, you can change your duration after 12 seconds, but you need at least 24 credits, guys. Okay, they have a plan here. Just I'm gonna share you the plan, guys. They have the Clink 3.0 exclusive also, access for everyone and 52% off, guys. See the power you're missing, compare and upgrade, guys. This is the one that I have, the ultimate monthly, guys, the 49 per month. But you can also choose this best value 119 per month, guys. They also have the upgrade your plan to get better result, the team and individual, guys. If you're individual for this one, unlock unlimited generation on top models, free generation on best features, and the capacity you need to create without limits, guys. Starting from 29.4 and the annual is 119, guys. And the team price is 35 per month. And the enterprise, you can just contact the sales if you want to use this to your company, guys. Okay. They have the team plan 35 seat per month and then the enterprise. Okay. So for this one, guys, I hope that you learn more about this cinema studio, guys. Like what I did here. You can use your start creating image, guys. Okay, so after creating an image, animate that image to your likings, guys. You can choose comedy, horror, western, suspense. Okay, so let's try to have a 12 seconds, guys, and then let's choose the horror one and then let's generate it, guys. Let's see what's will happen when Unidas miss this girl. Okay, okay, guys, let's try to see the 12-second version, guys. Okay, so this is the one, horror cinematic studio video. Okay, guys, nice one. Look at the eyes. Okay, nice. Nice transition, and then becomes the girl become a horror movie character, guys. Okay, so that's the Hitchfield Cinema Studio, guys. If you want to learn more about this project, please subscribe, share to it friends, okay, and like this video. So again, guys, this is Crypto saying bye bye.